How are you? Officer Delayed in the Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you passed us going 51 on Del Prado, and then you're going about 65 on Veterans, driving in and out of traffic. Do you have your license and registration on you?
Yeah, I need napkins. I have sinus problems.
I think my registration's in here. I don't know.
Hold on, let me give you my license.
Okay.
That.
Thank you. Any luck on that registration?
Yes, I have my registration. I gotta find. Hold on. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you're sorry.
I don't know where the I put it. Honestly, it's in a book. Or oh wait. Hold on.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I picked them up.
Who's them?
Them.
Friends, family?
Friends.
Yep.
Here, love.
Thank you.
Just sit tight.
I have a number.
What's that?
I have a number.
Do you have an odor? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So, go ahead and set that stuff up there because we don't need it right now. You've seen this?
Yeah.
Have you used it on a DUI investigation?
I have not, no.
Alright, so the way this works is, so you're going to ask her to step out of the car. When she comes out, you're going to explain to her that you've got some signs of impairment. You're going to start a DUI investigation. If she asks what you're talking about, you can say, you got odor of alcohol coming from you.
Slurred speech.
There's slurred speech, bloodshot, glassy eyes. Did she have bloodshot, glassy eyes?
A little
glassy?
bit.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have a perfect look of her eyes, but her,
Okay.
her speech was slurred, and then I had to keep reminding her to get her registration.
All right. And then you can just say that there's a few other items that I'm seeing. You don't have to go into great detail because then it can become an argument.
Yeah.
But at least you have two indicators, right? And then you can always, your driving's a little aggressive as well, Also, there was a time there that she was crossing the lines. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
When we came up here, she hit that.
She moved over a little bit.
Yeah. So I'll have that. So when you get her out, you say, hey, I want to start a DUI investigation. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
Sobriety exercise.
Yep. And then from here, you just start at the bottom. Are you sick or injured? Do you have any physical limitations? Right here. The only one that I would, or there's two, doctor, dentist. All right. And then when you say physical limitations, any problem with your hips, your knees, your ankles, your legs, anything like that? No. All right. Are you seeing a doctor or dentist for anything regularly? Type of stuff. And then right here.
Is it just yes or no, or do I get their name?
If they have info, go ahead and draw it. You can write whatever you want on this. You write notes. Yeah. Eyeglasses, contacts. Are you blind in either eye? And then from here, we'll do this. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna have you do HGN, and then I'm gonna do it and check it. Okay. So I'll explain it to her once you do that HGN, and then we'll move into walk and turn, one leg stand. It's occupied twice. There's a female in the front as well. All right. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and come up with.
Hello, ma'am. Would you step out for me?
Why?
I'm asking you to, please.
No,
No, but I need to know why.
Well, I don't have to tell you why, but I'm going to.
Yeah, let's do it.
I sense some signs of impairment.
I don't want no issues.
Oh my.
Oh, get out.
Just wait in the car. Just wait in the car.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why does it make everything complicated?
Let's relax. It's okay.
Step out for me.
But why? Can I ask why?
Yeah, we'll go over it once we're out here.
Okay.
Yeah, just step over here for me.
So the reason we're having you come out is because we're seeing signs of impairment and we want to start a DUI investigation. That means you participating in standardized field sobriety evaluations. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
No, I'm not impaired. I'm dropping them off over here. I'm going home. I live right off of Nicholas.
Okay. So The only way we can go forward from this is if you participate. If you don't participate, we have to make our judgment based off the observations we've seen so far.
What is your judgment for you to feel that way?
You have slurred speech, an odor of alcohol.
I don't have slurred speech. I don't have alcohol.
If you don't participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations, then you can't dispel our fear of your impairment. Okay? So are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations?
What does that include?
We're going to check your eyes, and then we're going to have you do the walk and turn and the one leg stand.
Whatever.
Okay.
So you're willing to participate?
I'm not blowing, but you can do whatever the you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just step right in front of the car over here.
So you put you in front of the light so you can feel impaired. Fantastic.
Well, why would the light make you feel impaired?
Because it puts your judgment off, obviously.
Alright, so I have some questions for you, okay? Are you sick and injured at all?
But why did you pull me over? Why
pulled
did you
you over
Why was I pulled over?
First off, you passed us going 51 on Del Prado. We followed you on Veterans. You're weaving in and out of traffic. You're going 60 miles an hour on Veterans.
66 miles.
66 miles an hour.
What? Do you have your proof of that?
Yes. Our observations.
Our
Yes.
observations. As long as
Observation is proof?
yeah.
I don't
Do you want to participate?
If I don't, then what? You arrest me?
We have to
Make it a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay?
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or,
So
but I'm
the question
not
I have.
impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is: would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
Am I allowed to, like, research first?
Research? No.
It's just yes or no.
No.
You don't want to?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, fine, then yes.
Put your hands.
Then yes, yes,
No,
yes.
we're not going back and forth with this.
Why?
Okay? Because.
Stop.
Oh, that's
We're not going back.
now I'm resisting.
Stop
that's
pulling
very
away.
forceful.
Stop pulling away.
Make sure you record. Make sure you record because this is a normal thing for Florida. Oh, I'm resisting. Oh my God, I'm 100 pounds. I'm resisting.
Stop pulling away.
Resisting.
Woohoo! I'm resisting. What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling.
Tensing up. Stop.
I'm
Pulling away.
okay.
Stop.
I'm tensing up. Okay, I got 3 cops on me, and I'm 130 pounds, not even, and I'm tensing up. Okay. What the f is that?
Stop pulling.
Really? This is okay. Okay. But I need my phone and I need my wallet.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me
Here you go.
for doing nothing, so okay. Blow me. You want to blow? You want to blow? You want to blow?
Yes.
Come on.
The next thing we were going to ask you to do
Come on,
is
let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it
provide
right
a
now.
sample of your breath. to
Let's
determine
do
how-
it right now.
Okay, we're gonna
right now.
we're gonna
Let's
take
do
you down
it. Let's do it.
Get in the car right now. You open that again, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
You're grabbing me like that?
Will you keep tensing up?
Oh, okay. You know what's funny?
Go ahead and pat her down, put her in
you're
the car.
Yeah.
Come over here for me. Come over here.
Stop pulling.
Hey, record this.
Stop
Don't
tensing up.
Are you trying to? What are you doing, bro? Are you trying to like assault me? Ew, she's grabbing me.
Stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my. What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys.
Get
and
in
my
the car.
Where's all my? Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued.
Mind if I pull it down? Pick it up. That one mine? This one's yours, sir. Thank you.
Have them go ahead and step on it. All right.
Stepping out for me. Just come back here. Back of the car. Step out for me.
Yes, sir.
Back of the car.
Yes, sir. Sorry. We just met her tonight. and we were just trying to get to the next bar, and that's all that was happening. And she said, "We'll take you to the next bar," and that was it. That was all that happened tonight.
So you don't know her personally at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
We just met her at Rusty's.
Yeah, we just met her tonight. We were only at Rusty's for like an hour, and then we went to the deck. We had one drink there, and then we were on our way here. And we were like, "Would you mind dropping us off?" And then she's like, "Yeah, I can take you." And then we didn't know she was signal one doing the speed like out of her to stay speed limit. We didn't know. And yes, I know it's illegal double passengering. She was just going to drop us off here, and we were going to Uber from here. That's it.
Do you guys have licenses or ID cards?
Yes, I have ID, yes. I just don't know why she was making, like I said, I don't know why she would make a big scene. Like, you guys were just telling her to get out. That was it. She would be like, why this, why that? Just follow the rules, just do what they say, please. Like, I was trying to tell her, but she's like, no. No, not really. No,
So you
not
just
really.
met her
Yeah, she was already there.
So you
before
weren't
we
with her the whole time?
Yeah, yeah, she was already there before
Maybe like
we
30
were.
minutes.
Yeah.
Did you see her drink anything while you were at Rusty's?
This probably had
No.
like a shot of tequila, maybe.
Tequila.
She had a shot, and then at the deck, she had a shot. That's all we
And then we came here.
Okay.
Yeah. I've never gotten in trouble with cops before, so this is like my first time, and I'm like nervous about it. So that's why I'm all shaky and antsy.
You guys are both good?
Okay.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you for your time.
Try being safe, walking.
Yes, yes. And I'm actually, like I said,
Get an
I
Uber.
apologize for what you guys have to deal with all the time. I know it's probably rough for you guys. It shouldn't be at all.
All right, remember that, my village.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, you guys have a good
Be
night.
safe.
Thank you.
Thank
Be safe.
you guys.
April 4301 on unit check-in 10-4.
Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Can I please get my wallet and my phone because I don't have any like.
Yep. Grab a wallet, phone. Do you have house keys? Do you have house keys?
A routine traffic stop. A few questions. A simple request to step out of the car. And within minutes, it spirals into handcuffs, shouting, and a criminal charge that follows this driver long after the night ends. That's the moment we're looking at, not just a DUI investigation, but a powerful lesson in how quickly our decisions under pressure can reshape our future. The real takeaway here isn't about alcohol or even the law. It's about emotional control. Because in high-stress situations, the person who manages their emotions best controls the outcome. Watch how this unfolds. The officer starts calm, professional, and direct. He explains the reason for the stop, speeding, weaving through traffic. That matters. Clarity reduces confusion, and confusion is where conflict grows. Even when the driver struggles to find her registration, the officer remains patient.
No escalación. No egression.
That's a textbook example of emotional regulation on one side. But then something subtle happens. The moment she's asked to step out of the vehicle, her mindset shifts. Not into cooperation, but into resistance. Why? She asks repeatedly. Now, asking questions isn't wrong. But notice the tone and timing. It's not curiosity, it's challenge. And challenge, especially in authority-driven situations, often triggers defensiveness on both sides. Here's the turning point. When she's told there are signs of impairment and asked to participate in field sobriety tests, she has three choices in that moment: comply, calmly decline, or escalate. And she chooses the third, without realizing it. Her words become sharper. Her tone more sarcastic. Observation is proof, she pushes back. And you can feel it. The shift from a conversation to a confrontation. Psychologically, this is where ego steps in. We've all felt it. That internal voice that says, I'm not wrong. I need to prove it. But under stress, ego doesn't protect you. It traps you. It narrows your thinking. It makes every request feel like an attack. And instead of solving the problem, you start fighting the person. Meanwhile, the officers are following a structured process. They explain, if she doesn't participate, they'll make a decision based on what they've already observed. That's procedure. But she interprets it as unfair pressure. And instead of pausing, instead of grounding herself, she accelerates emotionally. Then comes the critical mistake. She flips back and forth. No, okay, fine, yes, no, then yes. That inconsistency destroys credibility. In high-stakes moments, clarity is currency. And she's spending it recklessly. From there, everything tightens. The officers make a decision. They move to detain her. And her reaction? Physical resistance, tensing up, pulling away, shouting. Now, in her mind, she's defending herself. But in reality, she's adding a second charge, resisting arrest. And here's the hard truth. The moment you become physical, even slightly, you lose control of the narrative. It no longer matters what started the situation. The focus shifts to your behavior in that moment. What's interesting is the contrast. The passengers who had also been drinking remain calm, cooperative, respectful. And what happens? They're released without issue. Same environment, same officers, completely different outcome. So what does this mean for you? If you ever find yourself in a high-pressure situation, whether it's with law enforcement, a boss, or even a heated argument, remember this. Your first reaction is emotional, but your second reaction is a choice. And that second reaction is the one that defines consequences. If you feel challenged, then slow down instead of speeding up. A simple pause, literally 3 seconds, can interrupt that emotional surge. If you disagree, then communicate clearly and calmly. I understand what you're saying, but I'd prefer not to participate. That's very different from sarcasm or defiance. And if you're unsure, then default to cooperation first, clarification second. Because you can question authority without provoking it. Tone matters. Timing matters. Delivery matters. Think of conflict like quicksand. The more you thrash emotionally, the deeper you sink. But stillness, control, gives you a way out. She didn't just face a DUI charge. She got probation, community service, a suspended license. Real consequences. All amplified not just by the initial situation, but by how she handled it. So next time you feel that surge of "this isn't fair" rising inside you, ask yourself this. Am I trying to be right? Or am I trying to get out of this situation with the least damage possible? Because those two goals, they rarely lead to the same outcome.